Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 update error code some problem installing updates. So how can fix the Windows update error? So let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this that type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that type a command is net space stop space bits. After doing this that type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After doing this that type of command is run c backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After doing this that type of command is run space c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash cat2 space cat2.old and press enter. After that type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that type a command is net space start space bits. Now after that type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that restart your computer, and after restarting your computer I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that type a command is sfc space slash scan now. After that it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your start menu, going to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your update and security, click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, select the Windows update and run the troubleshooter. After that, close it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a services, open a services, find out a Windows update, open a Windows update services, and make sure that it's selected automatic. I have already selected automatic, and select the automatic, start the services, apply, OK, and restart the services. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on first link is microsoft.com. Scroll down and click on download now. Click on save button. After that, open it. Click on accept button. After that, select upgrade this PC now and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, the process will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete this process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.